In a collective effort to promote sustainable organic farming practices, members of the Huining Atobapti Church in Ukhrul District harvested around 200 bags of organic potatoes on Saturday and Monday. Approximately 250 church members participated in the two-day mass harvest drive at a potato farm, which spans about 5 acres in the Sir Hill Range on the Huining Ato village located around 25 km from Ukhrul town. For refreshment, the freshly harvested potatoes were cooked and served to members along with hot tea, marking a treat of the day. According to Maya Ningsen, pastor of Huining Ato Baptist Church, the project aimed to build a community commitment to organic agriculture principles and to utilize the revenue generated from potato farming for infrastructural development. Ningsen informed that around 28 bags of potatoes were planted using traditional methods without any market-bought fertilizers in March as part of the project. Each bag costing Rs 3,500 was procured from Imphal, and the church members dedicated their time and energy to ensure the success of the project. We did not even use vermicompost as fertilizers after planting. All we did was clean the weeds and harvest directly. This shows the soil itself was naturally fertile, said Reverend Ningsen. However, despite an abundant harvest, the church members are struggling to find a proper market to sell the organic potatoes. We have reached out to a few departments, including the horticulture department, for a market, but we are yet to confirm anything, he said.